never. And the learning outcome of this lesson is, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify adverb of frequency. Yes, dear kids, always, often, sometime, usually, never are known as adverb of frequency. Come, let us see what is the meaning of adverb of frequency. An adverb modifies and tells us more about the verb. It tells us when, where, or how an action take place. Adverbs that tells us how often or how frequently something happens or is done are called adverb of frequency. इसका मतलब है ऐसा एडवर्ब जो हमें बताता है हाउ ऑफन, हाउ फ्रीक्वेंटली समथिंग हैपेंस और इज डन आर कॉल्ड एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. It's time to look over examples of adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency answers the question how often. Adverb of frequency आंसर देता है क्वेश्चन का how often यानी कितनी बार. Alright, and dear kids, do not get confused between adverb of frequency and adverb of time. Alright, I'll explain you later on what is adverb of frequency and what's the difference between adverb of frequency and adverb of time. Now let us look at this example. I brush my teeth every day. Here the word every day. How often do I brush my teeth? Alright, shows how often I do brush my teeth. So the word every day is adverb of frequency and it tells us how often the action is done. The word once, daily, always, frequently, regularly, occasionally, sometimes, hardly, never are all adverb of frequency. Dear kids, please do not get confused with adverb of frequency and adverb of time. An adverb of frequency answers the question how often, whereas an adverb of time answers the question when यानी कब वो काम हुआ है. इसका पता कौन बताता है हमें? एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. जबकि वो काम कितने बार हुआ है ये कौन बताता है हमें? एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. नाउ come to your textbook, page number 64, and let us see what the textbook says about it. Now, dear kids, I hope that you all came to page number 64. And here we are going to learn about always, often, sometimes, usually and never. And now read the sentences. He is always late. वो हमेशा लेट होता है. I often go for morning walk. My brother sometimes come with me. मैं अधिकतर मॉर्निंग वॉक में जाता हूँ और मेरे ब्रदर मेरे साथ कभी कभी आता है. Then John usually get good marks. John क्या? Usually यानी अधिकतर अच्छे मार्क्स ही आते हैं. I am never late. मैं कभी लेट नहीं होती. The words in green tells us how many times an action is repeated. इसका मतलब वो एक्शन कितने बार हो रहा है. Now look at the table below to understand how these words are used. Always, when something happens every day or each time. Always का यूज हम कम करते हैं when something happens every day or each time. Whereas often का यूज हम कब करते हैं? when something happens many time. Often means many time but not every day. वो अधिकतर हम करते हैं मगर हर दिन नहीं करते. सम टाइम का यूज हम कब करते हैं? जब हम वो चीजें कुछ ही टाइम करते हैं. यूजुअली मीन्स when something happen as a rule. Usually means हम rules कभी break नहीं करते ना. वैसे ही usually means every time, हमेशा उस चीज का हम कंप्लीट करते हैं, वो चीज को हम उसी टाइम पे कंप्लीट करते हैं. दैट इज यूजुअली. देन नेवर, when something does not happen at all. never means कभी भी नहीं. when something does not happen at all. Come, let us look at this table one more time. We use always when something happened every day or each time. Often when sometime happens many time but not every day. Sometime when sometime happens a few time. Usually when something happens as a rule. Never when something does not happen at all. Now see in this page, page number 64, there are few pictures. This is for never. This one is for never. Okay? And this one is for sometime. This one is for sometime. I never throw the garbage on road or on floor. Sometime. We use sometime. Sometime I clean my house myself. Often. I often do exercise. Usually. I usually cook food for my family. Always. I always wash my clothes. So this is how we use never, sometime, often, usually and always. Now come to the exercise portion. Dear kids, इस चैप्टर में सिर्फ 2 ही एक्सरसाइज है. 3 exercise, only 3 exercise are there. Alright? And only 2 pages are there. Come, let us complete it. Rewrite this sentence using the words given in bracket. Place the word after the naming word. हमें क्या करना है? ये सेंटेंस को रीराइट करना है ब्रैकेट वाले वर्ड्स को देख के. एंड वी नीड टू प्लेस द वर्ड्स आफ्टर द नेमिंग वर्ड. नेमिंग वर्ड के बाद हमें वो वर्ड का यूज करना है. वन हैज बीन डन फॉर अस. कम, लेट अस लुक एट दैट एग्जाम्पल सो दैट वी कैन डू द एक्सरसाइज मोर बेटरली in a more better way. See, the sun rises in the east always. Yes, the sun is naming word. Sun is naming word. We will write always after it. The sun always rises in the east. Very good, dear kids. Now come to B1. Dogs bark at stranger often. What we will write? Dogs are naming words. We will write often after it. So we will write the sentence like this. Dog often bark at stranger. Now come, let us see the next one. Tina watches television in the evening. What we will write? Tina sometimes watches television in the evening. Tina is a naming word and we will put adverb of frequency after the naming word. That's why I had written Tina sometimes watches television in the evening. Done, dear kids? Now come to D1. Anu forgets to brush her teeth before going to bed. So what we will write? Anu never forgets to brush her teeth before going to bed. Anu never forgets to brush her teeth before going to bed. Now come to the next one. Ali has rice and vegetable for dinner in bracket usually. It means we have to rewrite this sentence by using the adverb of frequency usually. So how we will write it? Yes, we will write it like this. Ali usually has rice and vegetable for dinner. Write it down. Ali usually has rice and vegetable for dinner. Come to the next one. Dave rides his bicycle on the weekend. We have to write often between naming word and verbs. We have to write adverb of frequency between it. How we will write? Dave often rides his bicycle on the weekends. देखो डियर किड्स, पूरा सेंटेंस एज इट इज ही रहेगा. हमें खाली नेमिंग वर्ड के बाद एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी यहाँ पे लगा देना है. उसके बाद वी हैव टू राइट द होल सेंटेंस एज इट इज. ओके. देव ऑफन राइड्स bicycle on the weekend. Done, dear kids? Complete it fast. Let's turn the page and see page number 66. Look, dear kids, in page number 66 there is a graph like this, remember wala. Look at this chart. The number of colored blocks shows how many times an action is done. इसी के बेसिस पे हमें ये एक्सरसाइज करनी है. तो बच्चों चलो देख लेते हैं. ऑलवेज के लिए सारे रेड ब्लॉक्स है, यूजुअली के लिए ग्रीन ब्लॉक, ऑफन के लिए दिस कलर, समटाइम के लिए ओनली 2 blocks colored and never के लिए white full blank. Okay, so come let us do filling the blanks. Complete these sentences with always, often, sometimes, usually or never. Use the colored blocks as a hint. They had given us the hint like this color box. Come let us do it. Sue dash reads a book. Sue often reads a book. Very good. Now come to B. We dash go on a holiday. Look at the hint. Yes, sometimes. So write it down. We sometimes go on a holiday. Then I dash go to bed late. See, there is no block colored, so it's never. Very good. I never go to bed late. Come to 4th one. She dash goes shopping with her mother. She usually goes shopping with her mother. Very good. Then Amy and Tim dash met after school. Amy and Tim always meet after school. Very good. This is how we had completed question number 2 as well. See how easy it is. Now come to question number 3. Work in pair. Ask each other this question and filling the blanks using always, usually, often, sometime and never. Dear kids, ये एक्सरसाइज हम पेयर में तो कर नहीं सकते, तो चलो हम अभी कर लेते हैं. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स डू यू क्लीन योर रूम? ऑफन. वेरी गुड. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स डू यू डू योर होमवर्क? यस, ऑलवेज. होमवर्क तो रोज आता है एंड वी हैव टू डू इट, सो ऑलवेज. देन हाउ मेनी टाइम्स डू यू गो टू योर कजिन्स हाउस? समटाइम्स. वेरी गुड. हम रोज रोज कजिन के घर पे तो नहीं जाते. समटाइम्स. अगर आप यहाँ पे यूजुअली लिखना चाहते हो तो यू कैन राइट इट डाउन यूजुअली. ओके. इफ यू वांट टू मेक एनी चेंजेस इन दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, इट्स ऑल अप टू यू. यू कैन डू इट बिकॉज सबके ये तो मैंने अपने हिंट के थ्रू लिखा है. If you want to make any changes, like instead of often you have to write always, you can do it by your choice. Now let's see the fourth one. How many times do you play with your friends? Usually. Then how many times do you watch television? Sometimes. So this is how we had completed our chapter number 16. Always, often, sometime and never. So always we will complete our work. Often we are going to meet. Sometime we are going to do masti. Usually we are going to study. Never we are going to miss the class. So this is the motto of today's class. So that's all for today. See you all tomorrow. Till then, bye. Take care. Thank you and namaskar.